Yeah, fine.
I don't know. Say, I'm quite do back one abo. In common free, I'm in Nimra. Now, if you maybe you fee.
Rich. Me share. What's me because of Barcelona and Tino. Uko international footballer. Apart from say me Ghana, you know, I support the Spanish national team.
Okay.
And I remember after South Africa 2010, as Spain ever first World Cup, no, put together a documentary for the team. Our key players were talking about journey and how building a team. Now, first year from and our achievers, no, now they became achievers, won Euros and won the World Cup finally. Now, Rich, so where's our documentary now? There are parts of Obiti say Ike Casillas, Xavi, Puyol, these players. Kasa about the way a sad time no na Clásico any emu tension and ka creative problems in the Spanish national team. Yes. Na I say club football no mu tension in tokwa no
Didi akona national.
Enti ama uba national team na hu play of Madrid and also free Barcelona omushia.
Who is your enemy?
Na I say wa only ni said anya fine. Now according to Ike Casillas, who was the captain of the team, I say they saw say no idea way ya penny and come once more. It will affect us. So one of the national team meetings, then he called the senior players no more team no, both from Real Madrid and Barcelona. So Ono Casillas, Sergio Ramos, Xavi, Puyol, to have a meeting and say, look, club football and any rivalry is club football. But see about national team, say young Keleke as leaders. Look, it will affect your chemistry on the pitch. Because it's always our team now. It had Puyol, it had Sergio Ramos, had Piqué in Omuba Kleino, had Casillas Dapomu. Then who confused you were? There was Alonso. There was Iniesta, Xavi, Busquets, David Villa. So it was almost a combination of Barcelona, then Real Madrid, Kakra, to form that team. Which Casillas must say that meeting was very, very fruitful. And they were able to push a Clásico tension outside the way of the national team, and they won the World Cup. Now we are in 2025. Next year, you have another World Cup. And Rich, so watch a lot of the bookers. Almost predictions are almost based on form, team chemistry, consistency in BBR. There is no way you will do your top 3 countries a better Magic World Cup now on first Spain and count. Into once again, Spain have got another World Cup as the European champions, and they are tipped by bookers say they have a very, very good team to win the World Cup. But Rich, so one here, Nancy Tokoya ACC war a Clásico may come back to affect them. And what am I talking about? Yeah, boy, a Clásico new year. This picture and a trendy here. A picture of Dani Carvajal or born Real Madrid captain's armband. Very, very significant. Now, our catcher Lami Yama say, Okasadodo. And Kasmobo and Umposo Buoma senior man, now on Chasso. You see him also opening his mouth to talk back to the senior man. Rich, Sankesi, hey, I will not have a problem. But anyway, Spanish peoples are carrying out a story, say, there is a triple unfollow earthquake. Oh, social media. asɛm say Lamine Yamal, Pedro Gonzalez, ɛne abranteɛ fɛ no Gerard Martin ɛnyina akɔ unfollow Dani Carvajal or IG.
Wow.
And that is serious.
It's getting out of hand.
Yes. That is serious. Me sure say previously say enquiry muko Spanish national team camper. Rich say enye prior to Dani Carvajal no muko tunwo national team camper. He is one of the most experienced, one of the most respectable person in the dressing room. Yeah. And Otu for abetie, obi awaje Champions League 6. We bought for Real Madrid for years. We bought for the Spanish national team for years. It's respecting no honor. But Rich, the moment I'm crying, start to say, we don't care anymore. You better unfollow social media. Let the media report it. We don't care. Rich, me I am share is what I said in Rano. So what hear me story in here? Rich, say if BBC AC in the era of Puyol, Casillas, Xavi, and your coach in Peduma, these are like level-headed, matured guys who could deal with the issue, and they dealt with it.
Well, many young.
But see, I don't just Spanish national team anymore. Even the team that won the Euros, Rich. Penny Bay pa in the room, Penny Bay. You look around the team, and Oyazabe Mo, no man you team. Oyazabe so more Real Sociedad. And Tokoya, I'm not on for the noon team. What do you know? They've not shown any leadership qualities, baby. And how do you expect the likes of what the money? When problem, Leno, madam, 80. And what's your team, dear? Rich, I realize the coach is the bomb.
I think the heavy and your bad.
The football federation and
sure, almost step in. Because baby, I can't go. It's serious.
Probably.
And may sure be to say a Rafinha and Vinicius Junior.
Brazil. Oh, say. Me sure somebody will travel as far as this one.
Samu.
Because after it, there have not been any yente. Sabako follow the uncle and say, no. Vinicius right now is even dealing with only Alonso issue. Me sure say omodi ebeko. But when the central maker say, Senka after this picture, and I can be actually one park so minimum how member yedi agro. That would have been fine. But for Bema to go calm down after the game, you know, and carefully take his phone and unfollow you there, then it means I'm going to talk. And see, I am beginning to get worried for the Spanish national team ahead of the World Cup. Say, Oman say yeah, they know you say about how in the past, but in Penyumphobia more team, taking responsibility and how mono. This time around, you scan around the national team and you don't see those kind of maturity. I'm dealing with that issue way. Now, Rich, me say no I didn't come about Vinicius Junior and any issues or Real Madrid. Now, before I make a sense, let me tackle Gabi or any stories. Look. And no man no can say and a Real Madrid players training no or say a BB and a matches no more bono. Look, sir, almost show much. And Carlo Ancelotti. No more the Ancelotti man management. They charge of the Alonso Poa. They should also look back and Carlo Ancelotti in the last days. Any results they were getting in game against Barcelona and the way they were playing.
And there two, I mean, any time you know,
Rich,
two personalities.
Mini Spain. But from Ghana, if you watch Real Madrid now, you could clearly see, say, the work ethics are not almost lucky, but they were too comfortable with Carlo Ancelotti and to let on pursue more fine adwuma no I'll buy Xabi Alonso buy here. All catch you to push them. Say, some go so them boss them more Ancelotti time. So comfortable, money attitude to press to come back defend
several times those days. Or Madrid front three now. Rodrigo on target.
Mbappe on target. Vini on target.
Obiya balance. More money born.
Na money more.
And you know money balance.
Exactly.
It's a Real Madrid. Obiya bazo.
Yes. Last time no. Rafinha mu dream he come with the ball. Lamine Yamal, the team hands full cover coming inverted to balance the team. And it's no man. Look, move 4 games against Barcelona, even 5.
You know, Michelle.
They beat you in all of them. Xabi Alonso Bayern. So omamoye extra work na mumpe as players. Even the results telling you say you are on the right path. Results must tell you so. Hey, we are not used to this aggression training. We are not used to this tactics where any kwasi agene won say ball na ye bono ye kuta ball ni kwa ni ye bobi ye ni ball so say ye bobi. This is a normal principles and Ketia. Xabi Alonso edi say mu. Rich umpo. Once what he is doing is giving you results, then you have to change your mindset and follow it and stop the complaints. Now look, say obi o share o Nhyira TV biano. If you have a glimpse of your tactical board now, Rich, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 games at Real Madrid about so far this season. And Abranti friend Vinicius Junior, the involvement or sad games in them. Rich, in our first game, you need film 78 minutes. In the second game, Mpode one started. Into Obemu in the 68 minutes. Ye need film 72nd. Ye need film 68 minutes. Against Marseille, Obemu in the 63rd minutes. Ye need film in the 77th minute. The only games are about 90 minutes. Against Levante, Atletico Madrid, and a team of friend Villarreal. It is either you need film around the 70th minute and answer on over game in the second half. And when Becca say, so we should sound over here. We play be say Vinicius just very last 2 seasons. Who did the FIFA best player? Now who did say Real Madrid? You were the face of it. Now all of a sudden, what the name player? Who untouchable like team you know? You pioneered rubber. It come out to bench na ye the rubber game nim. Who game na? Who game ni na? And why you say we dey do 70th minute? You bring your film. Rich Sadia na ya. But you see, and when Becca say he is part of the Real Madrid captains. And unim say Rich, and when we were saying say Vinicius Junior Efrumuno, Adia Bakwa Wanya was to go straight to the tunnel. Yeah. And we said the good thing was he came back. But Rich, do you know say Dario AS say and yet Vinicius spent on the bar back. Xabi Alonso sent one of the staff members, no. So Munko Kanche Vinicius say, so I'm Baba Kama Matana bench wa and the Real Madrid no name kete. So I am one of the coaching staff instructed by Xabi Alonso and a kofa Vinicius by. Yes, that is what Dario is reporting. Now, Enra, our RMC Sports, our France, Christopher Dugari, so guys are guy. Or say, oh no, but Real Madrid need that. And he worked under Florentino Perez as a president then. The Vinicius here, you know, one here Florentino Perez beton.
Who say, oh yes, I know, come on, go papa no. And oh yeah, papa na. Oh yeah, a bit diplomatic because who say, come on, damn it. So, but so who had him no one happy.
You see, Rich,
say a boy classic where you were from one child coach. Free wow,
you are creating a scene. Now, Rich,
as a team behind Samubi.
The bottom line will be this. See about season we. Nessa Xabi Alonso Ayadia. Now Florentino Perez Ejini say or the team no aba on the right track and he needed any support say Obama ni mo do na when you GDA say me face players na meaning say I am facing the players with the backing of the president. Rich, then they will throw it to him say, do you want the guy to be in the team or you want him out? And Xabi Alonso results Obenya and the women win this battle. Rich, so be say coach biba na or the revolution ba. The first thing you must do for him is to show to players no more and say, hey, coach we get tiny chi. They all you know, ye only a yet and you're back, you know. And you have to start respecting him, or you can't be in this team because he is the leader of the team now. Rich, they hear me, yeah. And they say, the Vinicius see any, you know. He has not offered any apology, not publicly, not to the teammates. And I decided to go to this Vinicius, the official X handle. Say can be bitona. Now or the apology and answer public oh no or post or come on. Rich, you go there. The last time Vinicius posting BB was on the 30th of June. No apology from him. Not to the public Real Madrid supporters and not to the teammates. Because Enkwaya and there will be reports suggesting say why yes I didn't know. Rich about Clásico ndaben Sunday. And then Wednesday for God's sake. 3 days. Onya numbia and I think say oh me okay. Legal require report say since omubo Clásico ni wie no. Vinicius and the coach no mon kasada. And omuko train no mani hia. And it's a normal asesa then it means that their relationship will be broken forever. And I say Abako Ebeko. That is what Legaro is reporting. And see, Rich, this power play, not you say it will be between Vinicius and Mbappe. But yes, Tokono Enya is testing direction here. You anticipated that, and it is now between Ono and the coach Xabi Alonso, which we think say the coming days very
maybe mini Vinicius are dreaming there, but maybe also dreams at a point nam the face of Real Madrid. Then Mbappe came. Oh yeah, dear, but so this season BBA just say Madrid for me projecting Mbappe ahead of me.
Of course, even for last
game grand game and feel some Clásico now. We are sitting there where them GDS can born 90 minutes.
Of course.
But as a person the face of the team, you know. You will film now say cameras in and come back so. Maybe I don't have brand any transia.
You see, I have already established that say last 2 seasons here, he won the FIFA best. And he was the face of the Real Madrid team. And yeah, dear a dead deep perfect, but we all knew say Mbappe he was going to share a certain shine with Vinicius. Now yes, now in the 2 seasons, which last season Mbappe was Real Madrid best player, undoubtedly. This season too same, and Mbappe obu game bia. Even though Xabi Alonso buy or say me perplex on better come away no, but in all the way Mbappe is playing. But maybe there, me bem, and I hear me film, me bem ni hear me film, me bem ni hear me film. 3 games spend about 90 minutes. Now in the biggest game, I just say beginner park so me sound. I am playing one of my best games this season. Now see me film there. What you are trying to tell me is say you know me accept to say, boy no, me nya untouchable or Real Madrid team no be, and that's I can't play 90 minutes. And see. Metiasie, Rich, psychologically, Vinicius thinks that he's losing it. Team from Real Madrid. But you see, Rich, team for a boom game could do for when you overreact.
Sure.
And that is what we are discussing. Say, and can you fool? Uria Kasagasa put a quarter bench. Uria in the dressing room as one of the captains. Beg your teammates say they are a creative scene and for good image and to poor match. Go to the coach. Catch us on meeting. okwa
me
poacho but the only year me dey me kwani nyame anim nie emboa me something like that like anamu obetu no ena be ma who say oh abim die na odi no oda so wo le but rich I think say Vinicius had a reaction Eddie abim die eye before with the way a normal economy mami wie kakra bi na maintenance rich there's a lot happening in Italian football and that is why I will finish in the next 3 minutes. First of all, Rich, I think say if any African player be a funny form pa na enka or phone a frame say league ben unko man kama go Italian league now. Born or born. If I watch the general style of play of the Italian league, Rich, is African football for the bar. The boots, this I said so fast pace of the game, and you're very very fast. And I am painful room. And see the way I Africa, you build slowly, you did aggressive kakano. I think say it's good, and I'll give you an example of it. This is the fixtures for this week. Now, Emra, 2 of these games were played. Lecce against Napoli and Atlanta or Bergamo ebo AC Milan. Rich, you both game in game na course between Lecce and Napoli no. Now Lecce for asai penalty. Ama Zambo Inguisa. I said the only goal for Napoli. And see after Napoli, I share Inter Milan no. Next away game, Omasa question 1 away. Rich, your ball game no. Now your Cameroonian brother, Zambo Inguisa, as the man of the match. And he played very, very well. But Rich, say, well, we are offering Zambo Inguisa, because so when you because say on your young on energy giddy. And it is true. But in the Italian Serie A, Rich Oba, he is very, very comfortable. And they are so good for Napoli. And neighbor, let's say West Ham. And now Tottenham. Rich, I don't believe so me about. Because of the pace of the Premier League. But in the Italian Serie A, you watch him and you watch a very, very good player. Now, the second game, our Bergamo. Inter, AC Milan, sorry. I could say early first goal by Ricky. Then who else? Ademola Lookman. Etika. Eddie Matima, your friend Atlanta. Rich, your ball game was you. Na the African footballer of the year, Ademola Lookman, as the man of the match. The only thing they say, or shame go. Say, what happened in the transfer window? Now, I'm supposed to play Atlanta. One corner. I'm a supporters. Ne jano. And you know, share the supporters were mentioning his name. Or maybe they but he doesn't know how to warm up to them. But Rich. To watch one night, 2 Serie A games for 2 African brothers to win the MVP of those 2 separate games, made me feel proud about the Italian game. Now, and then there are some few games, Bosso. But Rich, Juventus ebo Udini. I believe, sir, with a change of coach, Juventus a very, very poor run. And only Amaya Pamu will go to Dono. But against Udini, Rich, they will not lose. And they are now to Ray, Rich, 8 games on Winnie in a trot. 8 on Shebi.
And the new manager bounce the Bayajuma Juve.
The Bayajuma.
Okay.
Because 8 games on Shea, on Winnie. 8 games, so a move for on Shea go cry. And Rich, and your resource on Kwa. Almost always Asia Tibia. Your friend Damien Komoli, one of the general manager for Juve. Rich, and Canaya Wednesday. Jojo Cellini, Echo Arab, and Koban Canaya Wednesday, and Komoko Sia Ekin, the CEO of Juve. No more could you but after last year game, no, and almost a massa. We can't wait. I was say a Pamo will go to door. Now, Rich, almost say any resource in Nkwa. in the last 3 games because we lose 2-0 against Como, 1-0 against Real Madrid in the Champions League, and we lose 1-0 against Lazio. And some results winner, and after that, Damien Kamol Akache will go to the say Masia Pamo. But Rich, almost say beyond the results. Around the bar, you know, team no me identity be a. I say omo confusion tactics. Obi fa no so o ko post match na wo ko to ayam pia chere referee na referee for ne moye. O ye referee for no so a na o de aba calendar and am about Champions League Tuesday no ma ko ko Serie A games ni tata so dodo. Africa dey choma wo ko an say Rich after o sa de ne nibre akoso the players so going to post match and citing the players and say omo no mbo mo homode and the last one was Cambia so no masa jai team no to na yenko enti omo pomo go to do no the list by first one was Abrantia and Uriah Feno Luciano Spalletti. Then this man called Rafael Palladino, the coach for Fiorentina. And the simple reason why I say Palladino was on the list and I say na ono no bo ba yafo. And after so no, the sporting director of Juventus, Marco Ottolini, and in the year Juma or Monza. Sata man offer as a coach, no man opportunity, and unko nimno. Some come for Rafael Mbra. But Rich, their third wild card was Roberto Mancini, but I don't pay information at Urban say verbally they've agreed to bring Luciano Spalletti 2 years to team your friend Juventus. Rich, I think say ne. And then you make game, no, they will not lose our the Allianz Stadium against Udine. Como Ebebo Hellas Verona again, a double chance for Como. Inter go home after losing to Napoli, no. Omanya Kwenya go home against Fiorentina. Very, very difficult game. But I also think say Inter and loses a game, no. Then send okay and a Carabao Cup games, no, and so yeah, very, very nice combination. What's it? Umpa say Chelsea and
Wolves in Shomo.
Na which na Carabao Cup be sanya cup bia ufiri ma yeden
are revidom de yamiana any Grisby do
we kind of us from team no say one enim gwase
and no nya cup bia
but say enim gwase
it is a Grisby a share na mo sre dia
Grisby wow we the one who can
and yeah and
that is it.
A 4th-tier team. Manchester United.
The Premier League team you free. Carabao Cup man.
Wolves it way. When they Chelsea they moon nyam. So come on here. I am not sure so. No matter how Wolves are sham. Show the bad. Wolves are one yard in Zomo Premier League. But this season, Obia Wolves be in Zomo Yadi. Mary Zomo Yadi, they will put their concentration on the Carabao Cup. Chelsea doesn't care. Maybe that's say Wolves are Chelsea. And one may pay. 3 bet records, Mr. Monje na move 10 bet no. Na yepeske ningu ye bottom. First one no and metro a tactical board no so no. Uti already, don't worry, I will mention it. First one no a BW1CC FBE2C BW1CC FBE2C. Second one no a BW1CD 00C00. Nice one. And the last one no BW1CD 09DD9. Into BW1CD 09DD9, BW1CD 00C00, BW1CC FBE2C. 3 betway codes. So one captain waha oko me X handle ha unsa ebetimi aka oko Facebook besibako usubempa Ayala anasa Ayala sports so a ma posting kama ewo ho yemo share good luck na yemfa menim kom rich na Black Queens no omanye training imponie ena ke ye training bia na me catch ai guy be say Egypt for yi
omunya de
e ma 2 days omanye training omasa be some 4